Want to know how to start a chat in Replit AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your replit.com website. So you can just simply open up your web browser, type in replit.com and simply log in. So once you have logged in, you should be provided with this interface right here. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. Now, starting a chat with Replit AI is super easy. So make sure you are under your home tab right here on the left side. And once you're here, you should be seeing hi, your name, and what you want to make. So you can just simply type in anything right here. You can also change your theme accordingly. So right here, and you can just simply type hi and then select start chat, and it should automatically start creating an app. So this is just a simple explanation for you. You can just simply type in any description or anything of what you want to do. So you can just simply see its plan and build. It's already working on it, and you can just simply chat with it right after it works on it, and it is interactive as well. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.